Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we have got today's top 5 plants. We're going to start today with a beautiful Solenia Begonia. Now this is a gorgeous yellow. I think we've got 5 or 6 different colors of Solenias, and these can grow in part sun or shade. So when something says part sun, that usually means that it is totally fine in morning sun, but it needs a break from the hot sun in the afternoon. So that would be typical for most begonias. And these are gorgeous. They get loaded in flowers, and I really love this color of yellow. It's more of a pale yellow, not that really dark yellow. Really stands out in the shade. So Solenia Begonias, and we have several colors. Our second plant for today's top 5 is this gorgeous Petunia, and this is called the Durabloom Soft Pink. I have decided I'm going to use Durablooms in my big urns along the fence this year, and we're going to do a video of that later. But yeah, this soft pink is so pretty. It's almost like a peachy pink with these really pretty veins, and we have every color of Durabloom. So if you're looking for petunias that really don't need deadheading and mound really nicely, the Durablooms are really a good choice. They're going to grow 8 to 12 inches tall and wide too, so it's going to give you nice full coverage, but not like, it's not going to wave out too bad where it's going to get leggy. So really good choice of petunias. And grow your petunias in full sun. Okay, the next plant I have for you is one that I have loved for years, and it's a type of phlox. This phlox is called the Popstars mix, and it is just a really great accent plant. It attracts butterflies, birds, and bees, so it's a good pollinator. Good for edging a border or for a container. Look at the blooms. I love this mix. We've grown it for several years, and it's just random. It's not like this happens to have 2 different colors. This has one, the red. But look at the shape of those. They're very pretty. So a really nice accent plant. For a smaller patio pot or edging a border, like it said, this is a phlox that's an annual. So that means it just grows in the summertime, does not overwinter here in Alberta, but beautiful. So Phlox Popstars. Okay, our next plant for today's top 5 is probably my absolute most favorite plant for fragrance in the greenhouse. I wish you could smell this. This is lemon verbena. So lemon verbena is a herb, and it's actually a little bit harder to get. For all the herbs in our greenhouse, we have these plant cards, and when you're here, take a picture of it if you want. The information is also on our website, and it tells you what you can use that particular herb for. So this one you could use fresh or dried, sprinkle over salads and veggies for a wonderful lemony flavor, cook it with berries for jams and jellies to add flavor to your jam or your jelly, sprinkle chopped leaves onto baked fish, mix with olive oil for a vegetable marinade, and the lemony flavor can also be used in ice cream. What's really cool about lemon verbena, it's actually also an antiviral, so you can make a tea out of it, and it's just really one of those healthy herbs, and it's easy to grow, and it smells like lemons. It is amazing. Oh, it smells so good and nice and bushy. You can mix it with other herbs in a herb planter, or add it to a flowering container. There's no rules when it comes to adding herbs. So that is probably my favorite scent in the entire greenhouse, is lemon verbena. So our 5th plant for today's top 5 is a geranium. This is a special geranium. It is called Tall, Dark, and Handsome. So it's part of the Climbing Geranium series. And this is a beautiful, like fiery, hot orange red color. And what we love about these ones is the Tall, Dark, and Handsome. Tall means it's a climbing, and it'll get about 3 feet tall or so. You got to cage it though. It doesn't just climb like a vine. It doesn't have tendrils that attach. It does need to be staked or in like a tomato cage type thing to keep it upright. Otherwise it'll spill over and get bushy, which is also really pretty. Dark because it has these gorgeous chocolate leaves with a green edge on them. So this is really stunning. What I love about plants with dark leaves is that the color, there's like a greater contrast to the colors. So the colors really pop out. You're going to see this from far away, and it's just a beautiful plant. But geraniums are fantastic because they can grow in the hot sun, and they're okay if they dry out. So if you're someone who likes to go away for a couple days at a time, plant geraniums on the south side or the west side where it's really hot all the time, because they're okay if they dry out, and they can handle 3-4 days without heavy watering, even in the summertime. So tall, dark, and handsome geraniums are climbing. We have a ton, like hundreds and hundreds of other colors of geraniums and types as well. Again, these can go in like part sun all the way to full sun. Geraniums don't do fantastic in the shade, so I definitely put them in a sunnier spot. But yeah, that's today's top 5. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.